chance of rain 70%. Thursday, rain in the morning, then showers in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 50s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour with gusts up to 20 miles an hour. Chance of rain near 100%. Thursday night, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers. This is a test of the All Hazards NOAA Weather Radio Warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built weather radios will be automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these radios and the warning alarm system will be conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order.
Look at that.
To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will only be activated for warnings in selected watches affecting the listening area.
Right at 11:07.
For the official National Weather.
Look at that. Required weekly test. Right at 11:07.